Hey, do you want to know how to automatically retrieve the results of a Google search? Oh yes, definitely. In this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it with make.com. Hello my kitten, my name is Sebastian Griot. I have been doing SEO since 2009 and right now you are watching the SEO Addict channel. On the channel's agenda, there are tutorials, tips, tricks, and all of that for your SEO. You subscribe, you like, and for any questions, it's in the comments. Let's take a look at how to automatically retrieve results from Google. You'll see, it's basic. This video is part of a series of videos aimed at automatically creating our content on WordPress by the end. The goal is for it to be as SEO ready as possible. Inside this automation, we set up one thing, to retrieve the results from Google for a specific query. And you know what? That's exactly what we're going to look at. In order to retrieve the results of a search, what we are going to do is scrape Google, but we will connect to a specific API. This API will be sourced from what we call the programmable search engine. So, what we're going to do is type programmable search engine into Google and you'll arrive at this page. Next, what you do is click on add and here you will indicate a couple of small things. So, we will go back to the make part so you can see. We will specify it, we give it a name, a description if you want. So the code and the ID will be useful a bit later, especially this part. Then, we indicate what we want to do with the engine. And this is where we will not specify any website. And by not specifying any website, we are indicating that we want to start with Google. So, I'll let you configure what you need. Here, we will set it to French by default. And once that's done, you can simply save it. Second step, to benefit from your programmable search engine, you will need a key. To obtain your key, go to this page. I will provide the link in the description. Click on Get a Key. You will see that your Google Cloud account appears. So, I'll let you handle this part. Then, you click Next, and there you go. You've just obtained your key. Now, let's click on Show Key. We copy it, and we'll use it in a moment. Back to Mike, the least we can say is that the Google configuration part is really super quick. Now, what I'm going to do is call this API How to Do It, thanks to the HTTP module. Just to remind you, to find your modules, you click on More. Either you go get it directly or it is already displayed. Okay, so we already have it. We will use the one that is already in place. On it, what will you see? You will see a URL. Similarly, I will provide the format of the URL in the description. You will need to complete it with your key and your engine ID. Once you have done that, there is one last thing to add, your query. As you can see, what we simply do is add the EQ equal and pass the query inside. Here, for the query, I decided to pass the article title that we use and that we retrieve through Google Sheets. There you go, you just sent your request to Google. Now we want to retrieve the result. So, to see what's inside, we will click on the little magnifying glass and we will be able to see all the data that has been returned. Very well. Now I'm going to want to exploit it. We will use a JSON type module in which I pass the data structure that is returned by my HTTP module. And from there, have fun. You see, my kitten, to automatically retrieve the SERP results via make.com, it's really super simple. The only thing you need now is a bit of brain juice to figure out what to do with it. Come on, stay curious.